Now I have all the tappets ready, and for this engine, so we have this replaced with new. This is a intake side. From here it was size. It was side. This one, this one, this one are now new, and all other things okay. I have immersed them with oil, pump oil in to the tappets, and then get oil out from the tappets, so they are ready to be installed. So we will get some oil into each hole. They're all connected. Next, we're going to install the tappet and rocker arms. Clip it in like this, and then install. Just to put it in to the hole like that. So we're going to install all of this one by one. So we have got all the rockers and tappets installed. So we're going to put more oil to the roller.